What's good, man? DJ Ray, you dig here. That's my jam, part 1. Pull up on us, man. It's the first of many. Moneyball is the only way to ball. Let's get it. This is how we do it.
We gonna play songs that y'all ain't heard in a while, that y'all forgot about, that y'all remember from a particular time in your life. But that's cool, man, because when you hear it, guess what you're gonna say? That's my jam.
That's my jam.
Yeah.
That took y'all way too long. But anyway, man, for those who are not here, man, moneyballsportswear.com. Make sure y'all follow, like, tag, take pictures, post stuff. We got mirrors out. Moneyball Sportswear. Moneyball Radio comes in air. Toast to the first ever That's My Jam after hours. Moneyball Sportswear, man. Let's go, man. Let's do it.